Most side hustles you see online either don't work, take forever to pay off, or require skills most people don't have. So today, I'm giving you real side hustles that regular people are actually using to earn $500, $1,000, and even $3,000 a month without starting a business, hiring people, or working 20 hours a week. Welcome to the Financial Frame, where we break down finance and invest into simple, understandable ideas. If you want practical, no-nonsense money ideas that you can start this week, this is for you. Side hustle number 1. AI microservices for small businesses. AI isn't taking your job. It's giving you a new one. Small businesses know they need AI tools, but most don't know how to use them. Here are a few microservices you can offer. Creating AI-generated social media content. Writing emails or newsletters. Automating repetitive tasks. Making simple product photos using AI tools. Turning long videos into short clips with AI editing tools. The reason this works? Local businesses don't have time for this, and agencies charge too much. So if you charge $100 to $250 per month, even 5 clients becomes a solid $500 to $200 a month. You don't need advanced skills. You just need to know how to use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Canva, or CapCut. This side hustle scales, but it's also perfect for someone who wants to keep it small and part-time. Side hustle number 2. Faceless YouTube automation. This is not get rich quick. It's a long-term digital asset that pays you every month. Faceless YouTube channels in niches like personal finance, motivation, tech reviews, celebrity documentaries, AI tutorials, history and mysteries, luxury lifestyle, are blowing up right now because you don't need to show your face, film yourself, or be an expert. You can use stock footage, AI voiceovers, and simple editing. But here's the key. You need consistency and good topics. A single video can eventually earn you money for years. The earning potential ranges from $100 per month for a small channel, $1K to $5K per month for a medium channel, $10K plus for channels that upload consistently. If you like creating content but don't want to be on camera, this is one of the most realistic long-term side hustles. Side hustle number 3. High-demand freelance skills. You don't need to be an expert to freelance. There are low-competition services where beginners can start fast. Short-form video editing, virtual assistant services, social media caption writing, basic Canva design, podcast editing, simple website building with drag-and-drop tools, SEO keyword research, resume writing, and LinkedIn optimization. The trick is to pick something specific. Don't say, "I'm a freelancer." Say, "I'll edit 10 viral-style TikTok videos for your brand." Clear offers get hired. Once you have 1-2 clients, referrals start coming pretty quickly. Many people hit $1,000 per month within 2-3 months of consistent effort. Side hustle number 4. Reselling used items. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning money because it requires absolutely no skill and no upfront cost. You can resell old electronics, furniture, shoes, tools, baby items, gym equipment, vintage or branded clothing. Where to find items? Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, garage sales, clearance sections, local auction sites, even your own home. People consistently make $100 to $300 per flip with bigger items like treadmills, desks, or couches. If you want cash fast, this is the most reliable short-term side hustle. Side hustle 5. Print on demand with realistic expectations. Print on demand is saturated, but it's not dead. You just need a smart strategy. Most people fail because they create random designs for random niches. Instead, you need to focus on events and moments, bachelorette party shirts, birthday themes, school events, holidays, pet breed designs, fitness and gym quotes, professional niches like nurses, teachers, mechanics. Create 20-30 designs in one niche, upload them to Etsy or Amazon merch, and let them sit. It takes time, but once designs start ranking, you can earn passive income without shipping anything yourself. Most successful creators hit $300 to $1,000 per month after 3 to 6 months of consistent uploads. Side hustle number 6. Renting out your stuff. People underestimate how much money you can make renting things you already own. You can rent out cameras, tools, drones, lenses, camping gear, lawn equipment, bikes, even your driveway for parking. Platforms like Airbnb Experiences, Turo, or local Facebook groups can help. One person renting out a camera on weekends can make $150 to $300 a week. A driveway in a busy area can bring in $100 to $200 a month for doing literally nothing. It's one of the most passive side hustles available. Side hustle number 7. Digital products. This is one of the most profitable long-term side hustles because the effort is upfront, but the earnings can last for years. Examples: budget trackers, Notion templates, printable planners, workout guides, study templates, home organization labels, digital art, spreadsheets and calculators. Once you upload your product to Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site, it can sell over and over again with no extra work. This is perfect if you want to build passive income, not an active job. Many creators hit $500 to $3,000 plus per month with the right niche. Side hustle number 8. Online tutoring or coaching. You don't need a degree to tutor. You just need to know something better than someone else. Examples: English conversation practice, basic math tutoring, study skills coaching, resume and interview prep, beginner music lessons, computer skills for seniors, language tutoring, SAT, IELTS, prep, school subject tutoring. People pay $15 to $40 per hour for basic tutoring and up to $60 to $100 per hour for specialized coaching. If you enjoy helping people and want something stable, tutoring is one of the most reliable side hustles. Side hustle number 9. Delivery apps, but with a strategy. Delivering food or packages is common, but most people do it inefficiently. To maximize earnings: 1. Work during peak times, 11 a.m., 1 p.m., 5 p.m., 9 p.m., weekends. 2. Do multi-app switching, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart. 3. Accept only high-paying orders, $2 per mile rule. 4. Focus on dense areas, apartments, downtowns, college towns. With strategy, people regularly earn $20 to $35 per hour, not $10. Which one should you start? If you want fast cash, reselling, delivery apps, renting out items. If you want long-term digital income, Faceless, YouTube, digital products, print on demand. If you want stable, skill-based income, freelancing, tutoring, AI microservices. The truth is, there's no perfect side hustle. There's only the one you start and stick with. Pick one, commit to it for 30 days, and you'll be ahead of 99% of people who stay stuck in research mode. Thanks for tuning in to The Financial Frame. Remember, every small financial step you take today builds the life you want tomorrow. If you're ready to level up your money game, Hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.